Are you looking for the best gel eyeliners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best gel eyeliners that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Hourglass 1.5mm Mechanical Gel Eyeliner, Ultra Black Obsidian. This gel eyeliner is encapsulated in 1.5mm kind of mechanical pencil to offer accuracy, precision and ease of application. This allows you to create different eye looks that makes it even a remarkable choice of gel eyeliner. At number 4, Bobbi Brown and Perfectly Defined Steel Shade and Gray Gel Eyeliner. This Bobbi Brown gel eyeliner is one of the best and most unique gel-based pencils that offer its rich and pigmented precision and color lining in the eyes. This is also humid and sweat-resistant for almost 12 hours. In addition to that, this basically features a twist-up design allowing you to apply it as fast as possible. At number 3, Cosmetic No-Tug and Waterproof Black Gel Eyeliners. This gel eyeliner has its cutting-edge technology that is only exclusive to IT Cosmetics. This is also a no-tug and silk automatic gel eyeliner that is also waterproof. This actually can glide in its saturated and rich color. Moreover, this waterproof gel eyeliner could last for up to 8 hours. This is also infused with an anti-aging type of technology. This also promises skincare health benefits that include the following: silk proteins, hydrolyzed collagen, vitamin E and C for younger looking and healthy lids. At number 2, Julep Pencil Matte Long-Lasting Gel Eyeliners. This gel eyeliner makes your eyes look nice and perfect. This is also clinically proven gel eyeliner that lasts for 10 hours. The pencil is actually set in 30 seconds and this just stays on your eyes. This specifically features a creamy gel that glides in your eyes without pulling and dragging for an ease of application. At number 1, I Envy Gel Eyeliner by Kisswing It with Black Stencil. This gel eyeliner promises cat eye perfection to make your eyes more appealing and nicer to look at. This is also by far the best eyeliner for you. This also starts to look mild flare into a dramatic exaggeration. This also draws different cat eye looks to best match your eyes. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.